Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am here with a cooking video. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I'm always in my stories trying new recipes and sharing with you guys some of my favorite meals. And a lot of you are like, why are you not filming this? And usually it's on a whim. I'll get like an idea in my head and I'm like, let me share it on Instagram real quick. It's really quick and easy to do that there, but I will be more mindful to share some of my favorite meals on here. And some of you guys are also interested in what I eat in a day, what my meal plan is like, so I am happy to share those things. So let's start a little series on the channel. I don't know what to call it yet, but I will be sharing some of my meals here and there. So I was on my stories the other day and I made the infamous avocado egg rolls. I did not think people knew what they were. I was just trying to recreate them at home, and a lot of people were like, okay, we need the recipe. So it's super easy to make. We're just gonna jump right in. I already pre-cut my veggies and stuff, and although I am using egg roll wraps in this recipe, this is actually vegan friendly because I found vegan egg rolls at my local grocery store. So if you're vegan, this was like my go-to when I was at Cheesecake Factory, because at this time there weren't a lot of vegan options at all. So it was between a salad, the avocado egg rolls, and a bean burger, and I will always get these. So I got this little cool little avocado gadget from Amazon. I didn't think that it was like a need, but now that I have it, I'm always grabbing toward it. And what I really like about it is that when you get to the pit of your avocado, you use this little groove here to just, you pop it and then you just scoop it out. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, go ahead and get all your veggies together. I used red onion, cilantro, and sun-dried tomatoes. For this recipe, I used 3 avocados, which got me roughly 8 egg rolls. So if you just want to try this out, I recommend just starting with 1, which should make you around 2 to 3 egg rolls. So once you've got that prep, just throw everything in the bowl. I did use the juice of 1 lime, and then I just seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Of course, you can use whatever you like. And that's it. You're just gonna wrap it. It's easiest to wrap these in a diamond shape so that you can kind of tuck the corners, and you can wrap this as you please. Once you seal it with water, it holds together pretty well. But this is a really good snack, a perfect little appetizer if you have guests over. If you want to make it even more filling, you can add meat to it, but honestly the avocado alone is very filling. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little recipe video, and if you want to see more, be sure to comment down below.